So guys, this is how the hair came out. You can see I've got natural hair, so it can't come out exactly the way I wanted. I've been in this journey. Like today, it's been a hell of business. I'm in my car. I never do my hair like since for too long. So let's go and do my hair. My skin is popping, yeah, guys. I'm working on my skin. So let's go and do my hair. Let's go to the salon. Let's go. Guys, as you can see, she started off with unplaiting my hair. I had this hair for 2 months, guys. It's very bad, guys. So I had it for 2 months. So she's unplaiting. It's really a painful process. She's trying to detangle the hair. She's put a little bit of water because my hair is very dry. And now at this process, she has already washed the hair, and then she put leave-in conditioner. Is trying to dry. So I didn't take the video of the washing process because where she's renting, guys, she's renting under somebody's shop. She's just renting 2 chairs there, so it's not conducive to record. But anyway, we need to support small businesses so that they can grow. At this point, she's done with drying. I told her this, I don't want too much heat on my hair, so she's done drying. She's parting the hair. It's painful, guys. I don't want to lie. Like I'm squeezing my face and all that. So what she's doing is Fulani braids, thick lines, Fulani braids with curls. Because I wanted something simple and rest to put a wig, guys. Wig can be very tiring sometimes, especially when it's spring. We are in the middle of spring, so it's very hot. It can get very hot. So you can see a light is not that good, but I can see, you can see it's not that good, you can see. But the end who we continue. You know, this thing of vlogging is so hard. Like even sometimes I will say I want to vlog today. I don't believe in myself. I don't trust myself. So it's hard because maybe you want to vlog where there's lots of people, like here in her shop, or there's a lot of people coming in and out of the shop, guys. It's a lot. So she's doing thick lines, and maybe that is why it's going to be even more painful. Thick lines with the she's gelling. She's putting a molding gel here so that the hair will try to hold. Guys, I've got a lot of gray hair, guys. My dad, when he was alive in his 30s, his hair was full of gray hair. Like he was literally 30 something, maybe 32. He never have even one black hair. His hair was like gray completely. So he stopped cutting his hair. He just leave it to be like that. So I think this is why I took after my dad, because I've got a lot of gray hair, guys. You can see on my head. Next, shoe plaits. As you can see, guys, I'm done, and I was just over it. I didn't even want to record the parts where she was putting the curls on top. I was just over it. The pain I was feeling at this point, I was just done, guys. I don't want to lie. I was done. You can see the hair, she's done. It didn't come out the way I wanted, but I understand this. I've got this thing. I've got natural hair. So I want to show you what I use, because I didn't get a chance to show you. This, I use MP oil. It's just the oil to paste my scalp, to keep the scalp moisturized. And I mix it to, she always mix the other one. This one is Vita Glow Coconut as well. It's also from the same brand, from MP Oil. It's also the same brand. So put it on the hand, mix it together, and put on my scalp, guys, because my scalp can tend to be very dry. This butter something, she use it on top of on my hair, because I don't use all this moisturizer what. And this is the gel she used to mold, a molding gel. So other people, they use it for dreadlocks. So she used to mold so that the hair. Tresemme is my conditioner. I used to condition. Guys, don't when I go to the salon, I go in my things. This is a leave-in conditioner she used. on my hair. I just go with my stuff because I don't know whether they have what I'm using, you know. So this is the same brand shampoo which I go with. You can find it in ShopRite or Pick n Pay. They have. So I didn't lay my edges here, guys. If I lay my edges, it's going to be a bomb. The next one, guys, is black castor oil. Is it? Yes, black castor oil is very good. It's a olive oil. It's good for natural hair. It's good I will spray it when like now that I have the braids, so that it will be easy to disentangle. It has helped my hair to grow a lot, guys. I don't want to lie. This is how the hair came out. Your girl is trying to grow some edges, guys. You know, to keep the natural hair, guys, it's not that easy, and it's very painful. This is a forcey natural hair. It's painful as hell to do this hair. So this is how the hair came out, guys. He puts this thing and do just braid in the front. So this is how